Firstly, too, I have a project here. I'm going to be cleaning out these vacuum cleaners. They were on the side of the curb. I saw them and I brought them home. I don't know what's wrong with them. First thing I gotta do is plug them up, see if they have power, see if the belts are on, and then I'll take it from there. Just disassemble them and clean out the hoses and clean out the filters and let them dry out, and see if they're gonna if they have good suction. So that's the day's project we're going to be doing today. And these actually detach from the main frame here. Use this separately. They look like they're pretty expensive to me. I saw a price somewhere. This was $169 that they threw out. We're going to see what they're going to do. I'm going to clean them out and show you how I go about breaking them down and getting them clean. So stand by. This is the before. See, they're pretty and well used, but not well maintained. They both look pretty much the same. The belt look like it's in good shape. Just going to take and get all the carpet and thread off of there. I'm going to go for these. Just slide right out. And if it still seems to be stuck on there, you can take a wire brush and should clear it off. Now I'm going to take the main body here and start taking the filters out. I need a trash can, and you can dump some of the debris out here. This whole thing lets out. This comes out, put that in the bucket, and this section here looks like I'm going to have to unscrew that, or probably can dump the whole thing in my warm water solution. Guess we turn this around. Just dump this whole thing down there. Look like that. That's going to do the job. I'll take my drill and take it out here. I should keep up with all the screws. And we're going to dump this, put this whole thing inside of my warm water. Set this aside. I have water in here, so it's kind of moving in the back and around to knock the dust loose. That's it. Horizontal, turn to vertical. And you flip that, this whole piece slides out. And this piece twists out. Well, this one has a filter on it. The last one didn't have a filter on it. So you might find parts that's missing stuff. You can make this filter. You can make a filter like that. So this one needs one on it. Put all that in my bucket. Here again, we need to vacuum this out, then wash it down. And gonna get the hose out the back. This is the last one just twisted. Twist and pull. And this one down here again. I'll take our drill, take the screw. Soak. I'm gonna open the back here. And this time this one has a filter. The other one was missing. I'm gonna dump that in our warm soapy water. So I need to duplicate this filter here. This round one. Rinse it with soap. Sure I get my hoses cleaned out. Some of this the dust and dirt comes right off, and other pieces you have to kind of. You're gonna take and this brush is pretty black, so I mean this filter is pretty black. We can take our brush and go over it. We're making progress here. I'm gonna let it soak a little. Okay. I'm gonna get these canisters cleaned out. Fit. Why is it over there? Well, we're getting there. You go ahead and take this off the bottom of this canister here. Look like there's some started up right there. There's 2 screws. And this. Alright, we're going to put the roller back on. Belt looks good. Put that over here. This slides on pretty easy. Line it up. And we on. Looks good. Some bottom tray on there. Make sure that's flat. Okay, nice and flat.
Has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. I don't know if all of them are here or not.